Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions. You must be owner or have edit rights to delete files. Once confirmed, locate the files in OneDrive or the SharePoint site so you know where deletion occurs. Pause the OneDrive sync client or close any open Office documents to prevent sync conflicts. Now navigate to the library or folder view. Select the first file using the checkbox. This first action begins the safe deletion process and prevents accidental data loss while you proceed. Once files are selected, use the Delete button on the toolbar or right-click and choose Delete to remove them. If deleting many items, select ranges with Shift or individual items with Control so you control scope. After confirming the deletion prompt, files move to the site or OneDrive recycle bin. This is intentional for recovery. Make sure to check both the personal and site recycle bins. If you need permanent removal, empty the appropriate recycle bin. Be aware retention policies may override immediate purge. To finish, empty the recycle bin to free storage or go to the site collection recycle bin for items beyond the first stage bin. This permanently deletes them when policies allow. If you cannot delete, check for retention labels, legal hold, or insufficient permissions. These commonly block deletions. Make sure to refresh the library view and recheck sync status. If something goes wrong, restore the file from the recycle bin within the retention window. Then correct permissions or remove the hold before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.